Saturday evening, filled with the contemplation on Paramatma in different forms, especially in the form of Guru, Ganapati, Sri Ram, Shiva and Hanuman. Bharatiya Samskriti is such a beautiful Samskriti which has seen Paramatma in different forms. When we say Paramatma, it is Almighty God. So Paramatma is omnipotent, Sarva Shaktiman, omniscient, Sarvajna, and omnipresent, Sarva Vyapaka. In addition to this, he is Karuna Ke Sagar. He is Prema Rupa. He is Prema Rupa also. So Paramatma is Prema Rupa, Paramatma is Sarva Shaktiman, Paramatma knows everything. So Paramatma is everything. So when Paramatma is everything, Paramatma can take any shape. Paramatma can take any shape. You know, when we see sometimes a very well-to-do person, he may have about say 5 cars, different types of cars. And then he will come one day in one car, another day in another car, another day in another car. And he'll dress himself also in different ways, in different dresses. But the body remains the same. He may put on anything on top of that, but his body has to be the same. But Paramatma is not like that. Paramatma can come any form. Paramatma can take any form at any time and be present in anybody's place at any time. Remember, it's very, very important. Arjuna had a doubt in the Bhagavad Gita. Sri Krishna Paramatma says in the 4th chapter beginning. Remember, Srimad Bhagavad Gita is the Vani of Paramatma. That is why it is called as Bhagavad Gita. The voice or the song, celestial song of Paramatma, the voice of Paramatma. And it is part of the Mahabharatam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita is part of the Mahabharatam. It is the Upadesha of Bhagavan Sri Krishna to Arjuna. In that Paramatma says in the 4th chapter, Imam vivasvate yogam proktavan aham avyayam Vivasvan manave praha manurikshvakave abravit. O Arjuna, whatever yoga I have taught you, I am teaching you now. I taught it to Surya Bhagavan. Imam vivasvate proktam yogam proktavan aham avyayam. This indestructible yoga. Avyayam means indestructible yoga. Indelible yoga. I taught it to Surya Bhagavan. Vivasvan means Surya Bhagavan. Vivasvan manave praha. Surya Bhagavan taught it to Manu. Manurikshvakave abravit. Manu taught it to Ikshvaku. Ikshvaku is the first king of the Surya dynasty. Solar race of Sri Rama's race. Evam parampara praptam imam rajasyayo viduhu. In this way, generation after generation, this yoga has been coming. And the Rajarshis means people, rishis who have done a lot of tapasya, and then they have the capacity of all Aishwarya. They are called as Rajarshis. So these Rajarshis also the kings also who were sometimes used to go to tapasya, they also knew this yoga. Sa eva adya maya proktaha sanatana. Sa eva maya adya prokta sanatana. Bhaktosi me sakacheti rahasyamidam uttamam. I am teaching you this yoga because you are my devotee. I am teaching you this yoga because you are my devotee. So Arjuna must have been very, very pleased by that time. What yoga you taught to Surya? Whatever yoga you taught to Surya, and that to generation after generation it's coming, you are teaching me, should have been proud. It became ulta. Arjuna was not proud. He got a very, 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 very correct doubt he got. He said, Krishna, aparam bhavato janma, param janma vivasvatah, kathameta dvijaniyam tvamado proktavaniti. You were born after Surya was born. You were born after Surya Bhagavan was born. Aparam bhavato janma, not even after, many thousands of years afterwards. You are born in Dwapara Yuga. And Surya is there since Satya Yuga itself he is there. So how can I believe you that you have taught this to Surya? It's a very, very relevant doubt. Very, very relevant doubt. अपरं भवतो जन्म परं जन्म विवस्वतः कथमेतद् विजानीयां त्वम् आदौ प्रोक्तवान् इति. Adi means beginning of creation. Surya is from the beginning of creation. How did you teach this? Krishna smiles. Krishna has got a very beautiful smile, you know. Immediately he smiled. Arjuna, bahuni me vyatitani janmani tavadharjuna tanyaham veda sarvani natvam vedha parantapa. O Arjuna, many births I have taken. See the difference. What is the answer? Bahuni me vyatitani janmani tavacharjuna. I have taken many births, and you have also taken many births. But the difference between you and me is I know all your births. I know all my births, but you don't know. I know all your births. I know all my births also, but you don't know. One more point. Ajopi san avyayatma bhutanam ishwaropi san prakritim swamadhishtaya sambhavami atma mayaya. I am Aja. The word Aja means unborn. Don't be under the impression that I am like you. You were born to Kunti. I was born to Devaki. So don't think like just like you only I am also. No, I can be born at any time to anybody at any place also. That is the difference. I am Aja. I am unborn. Ajopi san avyayatma. My personality doesn't diminish at all. Avyayatma bhutanam ishwaropi san. I am the Lord of the entire living beings in this world. Prakritim swam adhishtaya swambhavami atma mayaya. I just appear like that wherever I want in whatever form. This is the difference between me and you. You remember this bhajan we sang? Mujh mein tujh mein bas bhed yahi. Mujh mein tujh mein bas bhed yahi. Main nar hoon tum narayan ho. Krishna is saying, I am Narayana and you are Nara. You are Nara and I am Narayana. The difference between you and me, you are in the clutches of the samsara. You are in the hold of the samsara and samsara is in my hold. I am holding the samsara. Samsara is, so and this is a major difference between Paramatma and ourselves. So Paramatma can appear in any form, anywhere, at any time. So by singing the bhajans of Paramatma every day, we are actually seeing the forms. See, we saw first Guru's form, we then saw Ganapati form, we then saw Shiva's form, we then saw Paramatma in the form of Sri Rama, and then we saw Paramatma in the form of Anjaneya. And how many forms has Paramatma got? Namostvanantaya Sahasramurtaya, countless forms. Every single face here and everywhere else also. All faces and forms are Paramatma's forms only. So, Tulsidas ji says, Siya Ram May Sab Jag Jani Karahu Pranam Jor Yug Pani. I bow down to the entire creation, holding my hands, believing, knowing that they are all Sita and Rama only. Hari Om Tat Sat.